Hi friends, so today I'm going to be making Greek yogurt bark. I'm going to sit down because I don't have a cameraman today, so this is what we're working with. So I'm going to be using yogurt, fruit, and dark chocolate chips to make the bark. It's super easy, there's no actual baking or oven situation. We're just going to be using the fridge or the freezer to turn into bark. So for the base of the bark, I'm going to be using Chobani Greek yogurt, flavored vanilla, and I'm just going to give a generous spread, just like this. Oh boy, I'm gonna bark for days. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in some strawberries and chocolate chips. Okay, so once that's all done, I'm just going to go ahead and pop it in the freezer for a couple hours, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you do this at home. Bye, have a good day.